let's take a look at the Create Seam on Edge Loop tool. First off, you might notice this model has a very dense triangle topology to it. This tool is not going to work particularly well with this in the sense that it's going to create gobbledygook lines. If we had a model where we had modeled the topology to be useful for a particular purpose, so that means, like, for example, maybe you had a model where the triangles follow around the edge of the eye perfectly here, this tool might make a lot more sense for you. The way the tool works is when you pause over an edge here, it will show you what it would trace. And then if I click again, it will create that seam. So that's the seam it would have created, and that's, again, looks like kind of a worm track there or something. The setting here for the tool allows you to adjust how strict it is, so how much it will follow deviations in the angle between edges. So if I turn this up to be very strict, it's not going to traverse very far, so it's not going to traverse very far at all. But if you turn it down to be less strict, it allows you to adjust how squiggly that line looks. If I turn on the Edit Seam tool here, you'll see the vertices that are created for this, and it's just going to use a tolerance to determine how straight that line is. So it should make it so you can easily edit the lines that are created with this. The help for this tool is available here, and this will tell you the basics of how to use this. And hopefully that answers some questions about that tool.